This is Works, featuring masters of their craft doing what they do best. A flexible blue blank transforms into a sturdy tank under air pressure. Modern technologies stamp reliable reservoirs with high speed and precision. Skilled hands and a plunger quickly fill bottles with thick mixtures, turning routine into a precise mechanism. A nimble device lifts a loaded pallet, maneuvering inside a trailer for compact storage of cargo. Such equipment simplifies moving heavy loads efficiently and quietly. Stiff dough passes through rollers, immediately transforming into neat dumplings. The automatic machine simplifies shaping, delighting the eye with perfect results. The black mass of coal smoothly stretches into long, flexible ribbons, which the workers deftly separate into pieces. This continuous flow will soon become compact briquettes for efficient burning. Bright sparks fly as the craftsman joins parts and polishes the seams. The magic of hot metal and precise movements creates a sense of reliability. A metal stencil helps draw precise lines for a complex bend so the steel profile fits together without gaps. A grown-up construction set turns ordinary metal into art. A mechanical lift smoothly delivers heavy tiles directly into the hands of roofers, saving them from the exhausting climb up steep ladders. A thin steel blade expertly carves curves into wood like a hot knife through butter, creating blanks for custom furniture pieces. Smooth lines and high cutting speed allow the craftsman to realize bold design ideas. The agile hands of a young baker grab soft dough, instantly sending it into the center of a rotating oven. This rhythmic dance allows hundreds of crispy flatbreads to be baked at incredible speed. The orange sheet rapidly coils into a tight disc like a giant candy. The machine forms compact rolls for convenient transportation. His installation of underfloor heating is refined down to the smallest details, and by his movements, it's obvious this is far from his first project. The sharp chainsaw in the professional's hands bites confidently into the wood, guiding the fall of a forest giant. The enormous sequoia trunk crashes to the ground with a roar, freeing space for natural forest renewal. Sharp steel hypnotically plunges into the thick mass of rubber, dividing the huge ring into equal segments. These blanks become the basis for durable industrial seals or specialized machinery parts. Many equipment digs into dense soil, leaving perfectly straight furrows in the dark earth. This work replaces long hours of exhausting hand labor in the garden. A compact dispenser fills dough with juicy fillings, forming neat rows of products. The machine delivers uniform, appetizing, semi-finished goods one by one. A powerful hydraulic press gives flat blanks a complex embossed shape, creating detailed decorative elements. The immense energy of the machine forces the hard material into the desired contours, ensuring exceptional reliability of each piece. The finest blade of this hand-operated machine smoothly slices wood layers, creating perfectly even veneer sheets for furniture finishing. The craftsman works so rhythmically that it's impossible to look away. Threads of deep purple wind on rotating spools, forming bulky skeins for homecraft enthusiasts. The sight is hypnotic, showing an endless flow of fiber ready to become future knitted creations. While she creates fashionable distressed effects on jeans, she ends up covered in soft fabric fibers, yet she works confidently and quickly. From ordinary corn, the machine draws a hollow tube, which the craftsman rolls into a large disc. This blank serves as the base for lightweight installation or decorative materials. A powerful press rhythmically punches neat shapes from a shiny strip, transforming thin metal into stacks of gleaming trays. Watching this automated process is a true aesthetic delight. A daring installer secures protective reinforcement on high-voltage wires, ensuring stable energy transmission. Every motion at such great heights demands enormous skill and experience. Liquid concrete flows like an avalanche into a special cart, forming a solid foundation for a building. Workers quickly spread it across the slab, filling every empty spot. Sharp metal spikes drive into the soil, creating even holes for fence posts. Tractors make the work easier, saving labor-intensive digging. Multi-axle trailers transport massive concrete structures to bridge assembly sites. Many wheels evenly distribute the beam's weight, allowing it to travel along temporary paths safely. Powerful motorized cultivators dig through the soil, preparing ideal planting ground. Women skillfully trim bundles of fresh spinach and stack them neatly in plastic crates. This method keeps the produce looking fresh and market ready. Builders separate reinforced concrete slabs using metal clamps. These sturdy blocks form a reliable frame for new modern neighborhoods. Road equipment quickly applies white paint through stencils to refresh asphalt markings. Crisp arrow lines help drivers navigate busy intersections. Rhythmic file strokes turn a rough blank into a smooth piece, flying from the hands of an experienced blacksmith. Each movement is full of strength and skill, creating a visually stunning process. Massive presses force steel pins into links, assembling giant crawler tracks. These heavy-duty chains give the largest quarry excavators full mobility. Women expertly spread cement on brickwork, smoothing surfaces to perfection. Skilled hands evenly distribute the mix for proper wall preparation. Experienced roofers skillfully secure flexible shingles, protecting new homes from the elements. Specialized pneumatic guns fire nails at high speed, ensuring maximum waterproofing and durability. Workers evenly spread gray mortar between randomly placed cobblestones inside a metal form. This mix creates a textured surface that mimics old stone masonry. Just a couple of minutes of observation is enough to understand. This industry is filled with people whose experience truly speaks for itself. This pair carefully removes the top layer of the concrete walkway, and the result comes out neat and precise. The builder prepares the window opening and aligns every detail so carefully that the final result looks flawless. The woman confidently performs construction work, handling cement just as well as the men. The work before us is delicate and tiring, yet the master maintains every detail, and the result turns out highly precise. While the machine forms a long element, the operator carefully monitors the line and adjusts its course. He insulates the facade confidently, without unnecessary movements, and the neatness of the work immediately reveals a true professional. When an experienced specialist works in tandem with a machine, the result is confident, even, and predictably high in quality. Just watching this crew at work makes it clear. These are people who truly understand the value of craftsmanship. Yes, working on a sloped layer is a serious challenge, but the four of them move so seamlessly that the concrete settles perfectly. A gasoline-powered mower smoothly cuts away excess greenery, turning an overgrown area into a velvety carpet. The tool effortlessly creates a perfect landscape, leaving cleanliness behind. A craftsman skillfully turns an ordinary log into thin shingles that will become a reliable roof. This ancient shingle-making technique looks incredibly aesthetic and mesmerizing. A massive press forms deep sinks from flat metal sheets in fractions of a second. Rhythmic movements create useful items seemingly out of nothing, right before your eyes. A powerful stream of water blasts accumulated dirt from the bottom of a deep shaft, restoring cleanliness. Watch as the murky suspension clears, revealing refreshed concrete walls. An ordinary tree trunk visibly changes shape, becoming an elegant basket with a comfortable handle. By masterfully removing the excess, the craftsman creates a masterpiece from rough wood. Glowing steel strips quickly take shape under machine pressure. The mechanism rhythmically bends hot rebar for heavy machinery and construction. A flexible sheet of black plastic instantly takes the shape of a car floor under a hot press, creating durable interior protection. A compact tracked utility vehicle confidently loosens the soil, helping the farmer quickly prepare beds and significantly easing greenhouse work. Multicolored dough lands on a hot surface in smooth spirals, creating a mesmerizing pattern and an eye-catching presentation. A toothed drum rapidly strips dense fibers, preparing sweet juice for extraction. Massive plantations are now processed much faster, delivering pure efficiency. Sharp steel deftly removes the tough skin from a pineapple, leaving only juicy flesh. A couple of handle turns, and an optimizing fruit spiral appears. Small stones in a transparent compound are spread evenly under a trowel's pressure. This porch finish will last for years, pleasing the eye with its stylish look. Dry stalks instantly shatter into fine chaff as they pass through sharp blades. This machine is indispensable for preparing quality bedding or nutritious feed. A specialized mechanism evenly spreads fine gravel, while a heavy drum immediately presses it into the surface, forming a durable decorative coating in a single pass. A special press instantly gives pink caps their perfect shape, fixing every curve with hot air. The headwear becomes flawless right before your eyes. A red-hot blade plunges into blazing flames to gain incredible hardness and durability. Fire literally tempers the metal's character, turning it into a flawless product. For someone with skilled hands, assembling a smart irrigation system is a task that doesn't even require extra words. The green fence may look simple, but the one installing it understands. This technology isn't about decoration, it's about craftsmanship. A person walks across the field with a practical tool, clearing everything in the way, and the process turns into quick and precise clearing work. In the garden beds, the seedlings are handled at a steady pace. Every hole is marked, not a single sprout is left unattended. The crew moves across the field with a clear understanding of the task. Tall, old corn stalks fall quickly and evenly. Experience is truly evident here. That's it for today on Works. More coming soon.